Hello guys, welcome back. In this episode we are going to model this. Let's first take a look at some pictures and then we proceed with its modeling in Rhino software. As it is obvious here, there is a form down here that actually connects to a form up there. And there's also a smaller object here. Here I can use a polygon that its star option is on, and then I can blend it with something like a rectangle. To draw this, I go to the perspective view, I pick polygon, and then I put num side on 16 number. Okay, and then I click on star option. I want to draw a 16-sided shape from here. I clicked, and this is how I change it into some stars. And we want to draw something else, but a bit smaller. I click on star. Okay. And I put it here. And the thing that I need to do is to make these corners smooth, as you can see it in the picture. And here I use fillet corner and I draw a line here, and for the other one I say from here to here. Okay, and then I use rebuild to rebuild this shape, and I don't change the number of control points, and I put the degree on 3, and I do the same thing to this one, and okay. And then I use gumball extrude to extrude these two. Okay, now I have these surfaces, and then I go to the front view and I try to draw two rectangles and another rectangle here. And now I move my rectangle here. Okay, let me see. Here is better. And now I'm going to use a fillet corner to make the corners of these rectangles a bit smooth. Okay, and then I rebuild them. Okay, 16, and here degree on 3. 24 is better. And here I extrude these two, and then I use blend surface. Okay, and from here to here. Okay, and the direction to that point. Okay, you see that we made exactly like the form here. Okay, let me look at it another picture. Yes, exactly. And now I can use these handles to change the curvature of the work. Okay, I change it. Okay. And now I drag it a little bit up. The record history must be on, because maybe I would just want to drag this up again, or maybe I wanted to pull it back. This way you can do whatever changes you want after confirming the command. And again I use blend surface and I select where it should begin. The beginning points are important because it affects the rotation of our object. Okay, we have this form, and again we can change its curves like this. And here I turn on record history again so that I would make whatever changes that I want. Okay, then I can see the general aspect of my work in render mode. I hide these two bottom parts because I remove them. I lose my record history. And then I pick split isocurve state. Okay, I try to extract the isocurves on these edges, and I consider the isocurves not in the middle but at the both sides, like the way you see here and here. And make sure that your intersection snap is on so that you can do this job easily. I do this because of these parts. Maybe okay, we need these middle parts as well. Okay, so I split these middle parts too. And now, okay, I'm going to do the same to the other parts, and then we will see what can we do with these shapes. As you can see here, I cut these parts with the split, and I send the middle parts that are going to be glasses. I send them to a layer, and I can change the material of this layer into something like this, and okay, and I can see it in a render mode. And now I can hide these two for now, and I can select the default layer objects, and then I can use offset surface command toward, okay, both sides is activated. Okay, both sides, maybe as much as 1200th. As you saw, after I applied offset surface, I made this project. I apply cell last, I send them all to the default layer, and the cell curve command. I hide the curves, and here in display part I turn off surface edge option, and then I use a plane as the base of my work. I create such a thing for myself. I press Ctrl H Shift to actually bring back these two objects. And now here I apply offset multiple. Okay, as many as 1, and the measure could be 1.5. I made an offset, and I split the bases beneath my work using these two lines. The surface, select command and then isolate, and then we use extrude surface. Solid must be on yes. I press Ctrl Shift these two and I delete them, and then I unhide the previous objects. Okay, like this. And here I don't want these two. Ctrl H, like this. So modeling this project is over. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this episode, and take care, and bye bye for now.